Hey y'all, so it's your girl A back in a good back in a good A 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 back in a good back in a good A back in a good A back in a good A back A back in a good A. Okay y'all, so by the time of this video it's gonna be a from straight hair to curly hair. But yeah, and I'm just gonna take y'all on this journey with me. But come on with me. Let's hop into this video at a 3 and a 2 and a 1. Okay, y'all, I'm not gonna record me washing my hair because I don't want my phone to get on, like I said. So I'll be back. Hey y'all, my hair is still dripping wet, but it's gonna be alright. You know what I'm saying? Not this one. Ooh, that's good lighting. Yo, when I first put my head up under that water, like my hair was like, if I was so scared because it was like not going to curls and nothing. And y'all, I cut my hair, that's why it probably looks so short. I got it when my hair was straight. Yo, my hair looks so cute. I actually live my she wanna play till the morning, and then we get this relationship on it. Got a text where you at? Y'all be back. Hey y'all, so it's tonight. I'm just editing this. I mean, I didn't feel like doing the what's the name yesterday? I didn't feel like doing that. I forgot to do it. Actually, it's not that I didn't want to do it. It's just I forgot to do it. So now I'm doing it. But please give this video a like. Please comment. And please subscribe. And tell everybody about me. Tell anybody you know. Tell your friends, everything. You get what I'm saying? Okay. But yeah, please subscribe is what I'm trying to say. And tell everybody about me. And to subscribe, please. But yeah, I hope y'all have a nice day. And peace. Love you lots.